Tired of rebuilding the same design from scratch? Discover the exact clicks to add and sync templates in Elementor, saving hours of work. We'll start inside the Elementor editor, then follow the highlighted clicks to the Pro Template section, and finally upgrade to unlock seamless syncing. You'll start by going to Edit Home with Elementor. Once the editor is open, click on the highlighted element. Then, click on the highlight again to move forward. You'll see a Pro button here. Go ahead and click it. Now click on Pro a second time to keep going. Next, click on Template to open your template options. Then click Upgrade to embed saved templates. This syncs them automatically across your entire site, preserving layout integrity and speeding up your production. Finally, click Upgrade Now to confirm the upgrade. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.